So let's directly get to the point that how you can record the iPhone screen with or without internal sound and with or without external sound. So for doing so, you first of all have to swipe up. If you have any version of iPhone which starts from iPhone X2 onwards, you have to swipe down and you have to open this shortcuts menu where your Wi-Fi and all other settings are found. And here you will find the option for screen recording. This is the option here. And if you don't find this option here, I will also tell you that how you can get it in this menu. So let me first of all explain it. If I tap and hold on this option, I will see this microphone button. If this microphone is turned on, your internal sound of the phone and the external sound both will be recorded. And if you turn this microphone off, only the internal sound will be recorded and no external sound or your voice will be recorded. So these are the two different functions of microphone. If it is turned on, the external sound will be recorded, and if it is turned off, only internal sound will be recorded. Now what if you don't get this option here? You need not to worry. You first of all have to go to settings, and after that you have to scroll down, and here under general you get the option control center. So you gotta tap control center, and here you get all of the shortcuts that you find in this menu. So you can customize this menu, and if you don't see screen recording in this menu, you will simply find it here in this menu. For example, let me remove it from here, and if I remove it and if I scroll up, you can see that I don't find any option for screen recording here. And if I again scroll down and here I get the screen recording, I will tap the plus button here and it will again be added in my shortcuts menu. So that's how you get this option, and you can even customize its order, and now it's again at its place. So that's how you screen record your iPhone. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.